Hey guys, welcome to On the Bench. Today we have a JBL EON Compact 1. This thing has a broken button here, as you can see. This is pretty common with these speakers, so we're going to get down and fix it. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Okay, firstly we need to disassemble the module here. Take it off of the speaker. Okay, now you can kind of see, I'll show a more detailed up close shot here, but this button is trashed. So now we're taking the circuit board out of the housing there. And as you can see here, this button has seen better days. So now let's throw that in the garbage and get on with the repair. Yeah, here you can see the tactile switch there is just obliterated. Someone pressed way too hard to get this to turn on, and they ruined it. So it's our job to fix it. Okay, now onto the soldering station. We need to remove the old switch and put a new one in. So now I'm using a solder sucker and the soldering gun to try and get this this switch out, but this lead-free solder is just terrible. You have to get it so hot, and it's really easy to burn the circuit board, the PCB, so I'm doing all this being very careful. Here's the new switch, getting her put in, and we need to solder that up. It's really simple fix. If you're experienced with soldering, this is super easy and can be done in about 5 minutes. Now we have the new switch on there, and she's looking pretty. Okay, time for reassembly. Here's the new button. I'm going to put that in, but I'm not going to screw it in all the way, and you'll see here in a second. You want to be careful with these nuts here. They're plastic, and so I would assume they're really easy to break. So I just put them on finger tight and just one slight little turn with some toothless duckbill pliers. So now in comes the bracket. JBL knows this is a problem, so they created a bracket to fix it. Essentially, you put this bracket on and it prevents the button from pushing in all the way, and it also prevents the switch from being bent inside the PCB. All right, time for reassembly. Now I'll also include the part numbers from JBL in the description of the video so you guys can get those. Okay, it's time to test this. The reason these get pushed in so much is because people don't understand the power-up sequence of this particular speaker. So what you want to do is simply just press the button once. You don't need to hold it. Just press it once and allow it to boot up. For whatever reason, it takes about 5 to 10 seconds for this to actually boot up and show signs of life. You just have to be patient. So now I'm doing a quick test on that and we are good to go. I'm going to wipe it down with a rag, make everything look nice, and we're done. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Please consider liking and subscribing. It helps the channel out a lot, and I'll have a lot more content here coming up soon.